Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you dodge buyer's remorse like it's an ex at a party. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. Grab your popcorn and maybe a mop, because things are about to get messy. First up, let's talk about the price. The BISSELL Powerfresh is coming in hot at $164, which many reviewers feel is justified given its performance and versatility. However, some find it a bit steep, especially when compared to the Schenley, which is priced at $119. Reviewers appreciate this more wallet-friendly option, noting that it still delivers strong cleaning power without breaking the bank. So while the BISSELL might be the premium choice, the Schenley offers great value for those looking to save a bit. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, and many users back this up with praise for its effectiveness in tackling various cleaning tasks. However, some have reported that it can lack consistent steam pressure during longer cleaning sessions. On the other hand, the Schenley boasts strong cleaning capabilities with its 7-in-1 attachments, impressing users with its ability to remove dirt and grime from multiple surfaces. Reviewers love that it can handle everything from floor stains to window cleaning, making it a versatile tool in their cleaning arsenal. Next, let's talk versatility. The BISSELL is not just a mop, it's also a powerful handheld steam cleaner with various attachments, which many users find incredibly useful for different cleaning tasks. However, some have noted that it can become heavy to carry around over time. Meanwhile, the Schenley shines with its 7-in-1 functionality, allowing users to clean everything from hardwood floors to windows, making it a jack of all trades in the cleaning department. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use, which allows for quick transitions between tasks. Let's heat things up, literally. The BISSELL takes a bit longer to heat up, which has frustrated some users. In contrast, the Schenley is praised for its quick heating time of just 15 seconds. Many reviewers have expressed their appreciation for not having to wait long to start cleaning, making it a more convenient choice for quick cleanups. Last but not least, let's talk about weight and flexibility. The BISSELL has a generous 25 feet power cord, which is great for reaching those hard-to-reach places, but some users find it cumbersome and prone to tripping. On the flip side, the Schenley is lightweight, and its 180-degree swivel feature allows for easy maneuverability around furniture. Reviewers have noted how this flexibility makes cleaning less of a chore, as they can navigate tight spaces with ease. Overall, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is highly regarded for its cleaning effectiveness and versatility, but some users experience issues with weight and steam consistency. The Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is celebrated for its value, quick heating, and ease of use, though some users report concerns about steam production and stability. So which steam mop is the true champion? The BISSELL Powerfresh might have more fancy tools and a higher price tag, but the Schenley is giving it a run for its money with its quick heating, versatility, and ease of use. In the end, it all boils down to your cleaning style and budget. Are you a steam mop snob, or just looking for something that gets the job done without breaking the bank? Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember folks, when it comes to buying smart, we've got your back, just like a good steam mop.